Link hijacking in affiliate campaigns is a serious issue that can eat away at your profits, but with the right tools and tactics, you can detect and prevent it. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to protect your affiliate links from being hijacked, ensuring that your hard-earned commissions go directly into your pocket. Link hijacking typically happens when someone interferes with your affiliate link and redirects the traffic to another link, often to steal commissions. The first sign is a sudden drop in your conversion rate or commissions. If you're tracking your affiliate sales through any tracking system, you may notice a discrepancy between your traffic and conversions. This could be because your affiliate links are being hijacked, so it's crucial to monitor and verify your link performance regularly. The next step is to check your affiliate links using an affiliate link checker. These tools will scan your links for any redirects or unusual behaviors, and you can identify if something's off. We've tested several tools for detecting hijacking, and the software we'll be using in today's tutorial is one of the best. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've provided a link to an exclusive free trial of the software in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. You should also use secure link shortening services that allow you to monitor and verify traffic to your links. These services offer extra layers of protection, such as detailed analytics, so you can see where the traffic is coming from and if there's been any unusual activity. Keep an eye on your referral sources and make sure no unauthorized parties are getting involved. Another key measure is to use custom tracking parameters. If you have multiple affiliates or campaigns running, unique tracking IDs can help you pinpoint exactly where the hijacking is happening. By adding extra UTM parameters or unique IDs to your links, you can easily tell which traffic is coming from which affiliate or source. And if someone tries to hijack your link, it will be obvious. Now, what do you do once you spot hijacking? The first action is to report it to the affiliate program. Most affiliate networks have fraud detection mechanisms in place, and they will investigate. If the hijacker is using a different affiliate network or a click fraud operation, it's time to block their source or blacklist their IPs. Make sure to protect your account by changing your affiliate account password and enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. Finally, stay updated with the latest security measures and educate yourself about common methods used by hijackers. Tools like the one I've mentioned in this tutorial can be vital for real-time monitoring and protection. Key takeaway: link hijacking in affiliate campaigns can cut into your commissions, but with the right precautions, you can easily detect and prevent it. Keep a close eye on your link performance, use affiliate link checkers, shorten and track links securely, and make sure to report any suspicious activity immediately. To wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description for the software we use today. Protect your affiliate links and keep your profits secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.